Now that we have seen what basic settings can be applied in the first section, we will now look at how to operate and monitor Cruise Pilot as the machine works. As an alternative to accessing Cruise Pilot via the main menu, it can be called up using the hotkey. To do this, we need to turn the hotkey selection switch to the 9 o'clock position. The Cruise Pilot menu appears in the hotkey window. Based on the arrow indicated in the direction of travel and the strategy symbol, we can see that Cruise Pilot is currently not activated. We can briefly press the automatic control button on the ground speed control lever to activate Cruise Pilot. We can now see that Cruise Pilot is active. The arrow indicating the direction of travel has changed and the strategy symbol now has a black background. The ground speed will be controlled by Cruise Pilot from now on. The hotkey window contains a lot of data about the work it is doing. The blue value and the associated bar shows the actual material quantity in the feed house. The black number and the small arrow indicate the target throughput. To establish the target throughput, we can initiate learning. To do this, we need to manually run the machine up to its actual performance limit. In this case, this means the engine load. Then, we need to press the automatic control button on the ground speed control lever for approximately 3 seconds, until it beeps 3 times. As you can see, the actual material feed height has now automatically been used as the target throughput, and 117 has become 107. This process should be repeated whenever there is a significant change in crop conditions, and at least once a day when harvesting begins. We can manually fine-tune the target throughput whenever we need using the hotkey selector switch. Should, for example, a hazardous situation arise, there are 2 ways of deactivating Cruise Pilot. The first way is by moving the ground speed control lever. The second way is by applying the brake pedal. A light tap on the brake pedal is all that is needed to deactivate Cruise Pilot. We can briefly press the automatic control button on the ground speed control lever again to reactivate Cruise Pilot.